Hey YouTubers, Mama T here. Looks like Hurricane Ida's gonna be, she's a Cat 4 right now. And she's just outside of New Orleans. So, anyway, I'm praying for everybody in her path. So I don't think our little house will make it. And by the time I think she's due to hit landfall in 5 hours, maybe 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon, and possibly going to be a Cat 5. A Cat 5, guys. And I know the shelters and everything is limiting their bedding due to COVID-19 and Delta variant. So, gosh almighty. I paid somebody to fix my generator, and then they went to get a piece and never come back. So, I hope they enjoy that money. We've got, I put like 48 bottles of water and split them between the 2 freezers, the little one and the refrigerator freezer. I just went to the freaking grocery. I'm serious. So, $400 worth of freezer food. I really need that generator fixed. Okay, I'll keep you up to date as Hurricane Ida hits landfall and heads our way. Pensacola, Florida here. Love you guys. Everybody in Hurricane Ida's Cat 4 path, please knuckle down. I'm praying for you.